Why is it a good idea to store borax in your cleaning products?
Hey y'all, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take 2 ingredients and clean your kitchen sinks. We're going to use this old-fashioned borax and just a little bit of lemon juice. And we're going to show you how you can clean a cast iron kitchen sink and even stainless steel sinks using just 2 ingredients. So you don't have to spend all that money in the aisles where they sell you all these cleaners. If you've been down those aisles lately, they're just so expensive and so many to pick from. You don't have to have all those fancy smells to still get your sinks clean. Let me show you how. Okay y'all, we're just gonna mix it up in this little mason jar. And I'm just gonna make a small batch just to clean the sink today. I'm gonna clean our kitchen sink and our bathroom sinks. So we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of a borax. And then we're gonna take just this Dollar General lemon juice, and we're gonna take that, and I'm gonna put 2 of these little caps in it to start with. And now we're just going to mix this together. Okay, I'm going to add 1 more cap. So that's 3 tablespoons of the borax. And we're going to have 3 little caps of our lemon juice in it. Borax is the old-fashioned cleaner and product that we've had for years and years. Used to, you could find the green box with the little girl on the back, on the front of it. But mostly nowadays, we've got the white boxes, and it has like a field with a little green cloud above it. But this has been around a long time. And you can use this to do a lot of different projects with. Okay? That's what it looks like. Now let's go clean our kitchen sink. We're just going to take and sprinkle some of that in there. And not much. It don't take much at all. And now I'm going to wet this little scrubby that we've got, and I've got a video showing you how to make these scrubbies. And now we're just going to clean this kitchen sink because it looks awful. And now this right here, you can tell that's where our cast iron rubs up against our sink whenever I'm washing them. Okay, I'm just going to scrub it real good. Get that drain good. Okay, now I'm going to add just a couple drops of Blue Dome. And we're going to work that borax and that lemon juice in that white sink. Okay, y'all see that spot right there? Look how that's coming up. Adding just that little bit of Blue Dome in that just gives you like a little soap lather that you can scrub it in there good with. Okay, we're going to rinse that and see how it looks. And if y'all like these little scrubbies, go and look up that video. I'll try to remember to link it down below on this video where you can go and look up how to crochet yourself a homemade scrubby. Okay, I've got to dry my hand off so I can pick my phone up. Right there is the results we got using our homemade cleaner that we made with borax and lemon juice. And then at the end, when you're scrubbing it, just add you a couple drops of Blue Dawn and look at the results you get. I think that looks pretty clean myself. What do y'all think? Comment down below if you might use it. And my sink is a real old sink. It's just a white cast iron, but I believe you could use it on stainless steel, just regular porcelain sinks. Just do your research before you try it. But it works great on a cast iron sink. That's just one way that you can use borax. It's an easy, simple recipe, and you can use it on a lot of different areas in your house to clean. So the next time you go down that aisle, don't forget to get your borax. And nowadays, with everything so expensive, you can buy this one ingredient and keep your home and your laundry and a lot of different things done using borax. It's an old-fashioned cleaner that's been around for a lot of years. There's a lot of things you can do with borax. This is our first video showing you some ideas on what to do with borax. Comment down below any ideas you might have that you want us to try. We'll share them. Thanks for watching.